In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Vidrush video that won't render or get stuck. If you've hit render and watched it hang, or the progress bar just sits there and never finishes, don't panic and don't assume you've wasted your credits. This is almost always one small, fixable thing, and I'll walk you through the whole checklist. Stick around to the end, because I'll also show you the tool I use to make the exact same style of video for about $1 each. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to know the single most common cause, because it accounts for most stuck renders: a ghost clip. A ghost clip is a spot on your timeline where there's no image or video at all. The narration keeps going, but the picture behind it is just empty, so you're only seeing the background grid or a flat color. The render engine hits that empty block, doesn't know what to draw, and stalls right there. So the fix is to go looking for it. Scroll slowly along your timeline from the start and watch the preview area. The moment you find a stretch with no visual, that's your culprit. Go ahead and click that empty block and delete it, then hit render again. 9 times out of 10, that clears the blockage immediately. Now, if you're struggling to spot the gap because your clips are tiny and packed together, zoom in. Hold Control and scroll your mouse wheel, or drag the zoom slider in the settings, and the timeline stretches out so you can actually see each block. A ghost clip is much easier to catch when the timeline isn't crammed into a few centimeters of screen. Next, before you go hunting too hard, rule out the simple stuff, because not everything that looks stuck actually is. A long video, say 30 minutes or more, genuinely takes a long time to process, and Vidrush queues renders during busy periods to keep its server stable. So a video that's sitting on queued or crawling along may be working exactly as intended. In that case, you can safely close the tab, or even shut your computer down entirely, because the render runs in the cloud, not on your machine. It'll be waiting for you in your videos list when it's done, which is typically somewhere around 50 minutes to an hour for a big one. Once you've ruled out the queue and checked for ghost clips, try the plain browser fixes, because a stuck render is sometimes just a stuck page. Refresh the tab. Your work is auto-saved, so you won't lose anything. If that doesn't help, close the tab completely and open a fresh one. And if the editor itself has been sluggish or freezing on a large project, try switching from Chrome to Microsoft Edge, which a lot of people find handles the heavy projects more smoothly. A quick word of caution so you don't make things worse while troubleshooting. Resist the urge to just keep mashing the render button. Every full render costs you, so hammering it repeatedly on a broken timeline burns credits without fixing anything. Find the ghost clip first, then render once. And if you've scrolled the whole timeline, found no gaps, ruled out the queue, and it still won't complete, that's the point to stop and raise it with support on the Discord, rather than spending more credits guessing. So, about that tool. Stuck renders, ghost clips, hunting along a timeline for an empty block. This is the kind of friction that eats an afternoon when you're publishing at any real volume. The alternative I use is called Go Motion. It makes the same style of long-form narrated video, and because it comes out at roughly $1 a video, a render that does go wrong costs you $1 to simply remake rather than a careful salvage job. My link is in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so I earn a small commission if you sign up through it, at no extra cost to you. So to recap, the usual cause is a ghost clip, so scroll the timeline, zoom in to find the empty block, delete it and render again. But first make sure it isn't just a long video sitting in the queue, which you can leave to finish in the cloud. Refresh, try a fresh tab, or switch to Edge if the editor's stuck, and take it to support if none of that clears it. Thanks for watching, and happy rendering.